Ya.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down?